Hey, what's up, 8th graders? It's Mr. Habercorn filming from my basement because our school's closed for a while. So, I'm going to try to use this lovely dry erase board and see what we can get done. All right, so here's our problem of the day. Write everything down, give it a try, and we'll get started here in a second. All right. So hopefully you hit pause and did the problem of the day. We have a two-step equation here. Remember, your goal is to get the x by itself. So first thing we're going to do is we have to get rid of the plus and minus first, right? So we're going to get rid of the plus 4 by subtracting 4 on each side. And those are gone. I have 4 equals negative 2x. And then this is where we always mess up. We want to add 2. This, no, we don't. We want to divide by negative 2 on both sides. All right, so I end up with 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. All right, so this, since this is touching the variable, that's times negative 2. We're going to do the opposite, which is divide by negative 2. All right, so today we did some like term stuff in 7th grade. But we're going to do some more of it because we're going to combine like terms into our equations eventually. But today we're just going to talk about like terms. And a like term is when they have the same variable or no variable at all. And like terms can be combined. So being combined means that you can add or subtract them. Okay? All right, so I'm hoping we can see all this. Let me take a look. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay. All right. So I'm giving you some examples of some like terms. So 2x plus 3x. Those are like terms because they have the same variable. I can combine both of them. I'm going to underline them and make them 5x. All right. Now if I had 3x plus 6y plus 5x, it's a different problem. I'm going to look for my like terms. Here they are, 3x and 5x. They're both positive. I'm just going to add them together. I get 8x. And then the 6y is by itself. I'm going to underline this one in red because it's a different kind of term. And that just goes over here. Now, can I add those together and say 14xy? No. So this is my answer here, all right? I combined what I could, and I left out what I couldn't, all right? Let's take a look at another one. So we'll say 7p plus 12 minus p plus 3. All right. So the 7p and the p are like terms because they have the same variable. Now this is a minus p, I'm going to say 1p, right? If we don't know the number in front of it. So I can combine those. 7 minus 1 is 6p. And then I have a 12 with no variable and a 3 with no variable. And if I add those together, I get 15. All right? And there's my answer. I can't combine those. One has a variable and one doesn't. So these are now called unlike terms, which means we're done with the problem. All right? So that's all there really is to those. We'll look at one more. I'm going to try to squeeze in one more over here. We'll say, I'll do it down here. 3x plus 2m plus 5x minus m. All right, so once again, your 3x and your 5x, those are like terms. I'm underlining them so they look the same. And they're both positive, so I just add them together. And then I have a plus 2m and a minus m, which I'm going to consider 1m. So 2 minus 1 is 1m. The positive is stronger, so it's just 2 minus 1, which is 1. So I have a plus 1m. You'll never see a 1 in front of it. You're going to see it written like this, 8x plus m. And we know that m is 1m, all right? So that's my final answer with that. So that's all there is to those. We're going to practice those for a day and give them a try. And then we're going to start putting these into the equations. So it'll be our third step out of our 5-step equations, all right? So you guys have a great Monday. Don't forget, everyone get your parents to go out and vote tomorrow. Lines are going to be long, but get out there. Issue 68 is the school levy. We want to keep Newton D. Baker open, so I'll let you guys decide what to do with that. Make sure we're out voting tomorrow on Tuesday. And then Wednesday is there's no classes, but there will be an assignment. Maybe just in the discussion. I think we'll do the discussion actually today. We'll do the discussion today, and I'll put the assignment up on Wednesday. All right? All right, you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys actually today and then back again on Thursday. Have a good one.